Yes. We are live. Okay, give me 1 minute. Okay, so this is the link. Give me 1 minute. Okay. All right, so let me just send the invite for the people. I'll put on both telegrams.
Diz?
I'll put on both telegrams. Give me just a second. We are live already, Nando. Nando, we are live. Okay, so this is it. Already passed. So, okay, guys, welcome to the second live here at Monilabs. It's me, Pedro, again here with Fernando. And for today, we'll have some analysis. We'll talk about different solutions that we have here at Monilabs. And we might have some people that is using one of the math strategies that we are using, one of the robots, and they will actually give some feedback to you guys. So let's go straight ahead for the analysis. I will pass my word to Fernando, and we will talk about Euro USD and the gold itself. Fernando, if you please can start the analysis.
All right. Welcome to the live stream, guys. I'll start by gold first, then I'll move on for the gold. Okay. For the Euro USD. Give me a second. So on gold right now. What we can see here on gold, I'm on the daily time frame. As you can see, we bounced off from the lows. We were expecting bounce off the previous weeks. And now this was the decisive point here for the gold, the 1,800. If we broke, which we did this week, the gold is adding more for more upside. So which will be the next target? I think we can touch here again. We had a previous head on shoulders here, as you can see on the daily also. We can touch here easily. So more $20–30 for the gold. I don't think we can break above these tops here. Let me just put here the trend line that I see many people doing it right now. As you can see, we are still on the downtrend. I think from here we can make a fake break here on the downtrend. This will be a perfect trap for the bull side, because everyone that is bullish on the gold, they will believe that from here we are adding either like a lot. But if you do the trend line from before, also from here to here, we had this bull trap here. Everyone started buying. Then what happened to the price? You can see it. We dropped massive. We can do this again, okay? We can break again this trend line. And I'm expecting the price to break. If we break this trend line, I'm gonna short more the gold here, and we'll put the stops above here, this last stop. Please only consider the gold to be bullish if we break here. If we break here, I'm turning bullish on gold also. If we don't break this last stop here, gold is not bullish and we are going to the downside. As we said also the past weeks, the downside will be to at least 1,500 before this last low. Okay, we will touch around this area, and this will be the decisive point for the downtrend or the uptrend. Then if we break below this one, we are adding much lower, but for now we just need to pay attention to here. If we break the trend line, which I think again we will break, and then a fake break and the price drops. Okay, this is my analysis for the gold for this week and the next incoming weeks, at least 2–3 weeks. For moving on for the Euro USD now.
So we are now at Euro USD.
Yeah. Any doubts for gold? You can ask right now. I'm gonna move on for the Euro USD, but I can explain later on gold if you have any doubts. On Euro USD, what I see right now, it's a pattern which is a continuation of the bearish movement. Okay. I'm gonna draw a bit here. Okay. From this previous low here. This can be a bearish falling hedge, which is a continuation for the down move. Okay. I already talked about the down move that I'm expecting. I think you guys already know it. It's 114 at least for the next months. But we have another scenario here, which I will show you also. Gonna deal with this one. We also have here, as you can see, we can have a break here from the previous trend line on the 1 hour time frame. We made a new high. Okay.
Fernando, give me just 1 minute, just 1 second. Kazim, yes. Hi. We know that you are here. Let's just Fernando to stop about the analysis, and then as soon as we talk about the algo, I'll invite you in to join the shop. Is it that okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
All right. Thank you so much, Kazim. Thanks. Yeah, carry on, Fernando.
What we can have here is a break and a retest here. We can go to 122, okay, that will be the maximum target to retest this trend line and then fall again. We didn't expect this up move to happen on the last Friday, okay, we're expecting the drop from here, but we had this up move, so we need to see the next scenarios, the possible scenarios. I still believe the Euro USD is bearish for the longer time frames because I also look at the DXY and it also looks bullish to me. I will always change to bullish if we break above here. Okay.
Okay.
Above this last top. I will change it to bullish. I don't think it's bullish. I still believe it's bearish for the longer time frame on the Euro USD. So any questions about the Euro USD?
Okay, give me just another second. Hello, Ajay. Just let you know that we received and we are here live. Let's just finish for Fernando to finish up his analysis, and then as soon as we speak about algo, I'll let you and Kasim both speak about the algo, yeah?
Yeah, sure. No
All right, give me just 1 minute. Thanks. You finished, Fernando?
Yep.
All right, guys, that was the analysis. Yeah, that was the analysis for EURUSD and both as well from gold. And now from now on, we'll talk about the solutions that we have. Give me just 1 second here. So we will talk about solutions. Thank you again, Fernando, for the analysis for the live one. And for now, we'll start with the copy trading. And most of you guys, you already know the copy trading. It's free for everyone. And it has been amazing, amazing solution. We are at this moment with 92% of return on investment. This is a different type of solution for people that don't know how to trade. They don't want to bother about trading. Just with a simple click, you can start for free and start copying. Is one of the solutions that we have. Moving on to algo trading, this is the best solution that we had. Last month was really, really amazing. We almost made $400. It was more or less 324 euros. And most of the people they are using the MAV, which is the best solution that we have. And then we have more different ones, as you can see, like the Infinity and Team H4, which they are still operating, but it's for different people. But here today we have as well two people that they have been using the algo trading, which is Kasim and AJ, if this is pronounced correct. If not, I'm sorry. And I will both introduce and let them speak so they can explain you how is their experience with the algo trading, how are they using it, and yeah, just the experience basically. I will put both of them. Let's see which one wants to speak first. Give me just 1 minute. Hi Kasim, hi Ajay. Which one of you wants to speak first? See, for me, it's up to you.
Go on, I'll speak
Kasim
first
here.
then.
Would you like Kasim? Would you like to speak first?
Yeah.
All right, right. Then moving on. Let's hear Kasim. Jay, I will invite you in a second as well to speak.
I
Thanks.
started you. Yeah, it's been a wonderful experience from the last month, and the report is very consistent, and we are making everyday profit, and and I didn't see any report who is making the who's making the consistent profits like this one, and I'm very satisfied about this. And you guys are doing a wonderful job.
Okay, all right. Thank you. Thank you for your experience, Kazim. Yes, like Kazim said, this is a different type of investment. Of course, it doesn't guarantee all the times profits because that's not how the market works. But apparently, we are using it as well. Some of people as well, they are using it and they are enjoying it. And this is very important for us, to be honest. The feedback is one of the most important things. And you guys are
Mm.
joining us with our journey. And that's it. That was the experience for Kazim. Do you want to add anything else, Kazim?
That's it.
That's it. All right. Thank you so much for joining us, Kazim. I will pass now my word to AJ.
Hey,
Hey there, AJ. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. How are you?
We are good as well. Second live here.
Fantastic.
What do you want to say is about the algo trading? Are you enjoying it?
Yeah. So I've been a divergence trader for
Uh huh.
about 6 months now, and this is my first venture into algo trading. But
Uh huh.
I'm hoping to make this a big part of my trading portfolio. So I remember I was looking into FTMO funding, and there was somebody there who actually got FTMO funded with an EA,
Uh huh.
and it was that moment I realized, right, this is something serious. It's there's a lot of money to be made. These things are not just a joke to be brushed aside. And I thought, you know what,
Yeah.
if he can make a living out of using EAs, I'm sure there is some sort of way I can work that into my portfolio. So I was looking, and I tried a few, and I lost a bit of money, to be honest.
Mm-hmm.
But with Monilabs, so far my experience has been fantastic. So I've had a lot of profit. I know that may not it may not be that consistent always, but so far it's been fantastic. And at the moment, I'm looking to scale it up, and to see if I can make that long term.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah.
I was talking to one of the support, who are fantastic, by the way,
Yeah.
about
That's we are always constantly here. It's not about the profits only. It's about the communication, being there, and showing our faces, showing our work. That's the most important thing, to be honest. Like.
yeah, that encouraged me to diversify. So now I'm going to use the Tim H4 robot as well. I'm monitoring the Infinity uh,
Mm-hmm.
robot. I don't think it's been trading for that long, but it looks good so far. So eventually, if it's consistent, I would like to add that into my portfolio just to
Mm-hmm.
diversify and
Of
reduce
course.
risk.
Of course.
And yeah, I mean, I've been looking on YouTube a lot about people using robots, and there are people out there who have made that a living, who've made a substantial amount from that. So I think if it's done right, with good risk management and withdrawals, etc., diversifying, that can,
Yeah.
yeah, it could be something special.
Yeah, basically this was not like created day by night. It was months and months of work and testing.
Mm,
As you guys, I don't know if you are with us since the beginning, and we have been testing, and then once we feel comfortable, we released. But it's not to sell a service; it's for us to use it, and we share with you, and that's the most amazing part for it, to be honest. And yeah, of course, Team H4 is the new one as well. It's more conservative, and Infinity is the more aggressive one that we have.
mm.
But yeah, you are doing good actually to diverse as well, because that's what we should do it. the math has proven really strong consistency, as you were telling us, and that has been amazing, because we are using as well. We founders are using. We have many people using it as well, and we are really glad to hear that from you. And with that, we actually want to introduce something, because I don't know if you knew this, but we are talking about a broker. We are closing a partnership with a new broker that will allow people to start, instead of us having so much for let's say £1,000 to get in. If everything goes right, we can start with 50% of it. So we are pointing to start with 500 with more leverage, and probably we can work it out, but we have more news about it. Probably on Monday we'll talk about it as soon, and we'll announce in the Telegram channel as well. And that will be the best news that we had, so people can enter with less, because we are closing this partnership with the new broker. And for the people who don't want to invest 1,000 because I think it's too much, they have this now solution with as well with the Team H4, and this is the news that we have for the upcoming months. But yeah, thank you for coming, Ajay. Thank you for your feedback. It was really worth for us, and we are really glad that you are enjoying it. And that's it, Ajay. Thank you so much. Probably in the next month we'll have another live, and we ask for more feedback. Thank you, Ajay, once again.
No problem.
And see you soon.
All right, see you
Bye,
soon.
Ajay. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Yeah, basically that was another person that was using math. They are completely enjoying the math. That's a good thing that we like to hear. And that's it. That was the algo trading. Moving on, we are ready to announce as well the Traders Club, and this is the next step of our Telegram channel that we have been giving up for free. And there has been many people speaking with Fernando, sending us messages to create a more dedicated, more exclusive channel with better solutions for all the traders. So we are proud to announce the Trading Club. All right, it will start with 3 days free trial, and after that we will charge $29.99 per month for the affiliated people, and for the non-affiliated will be the 60. The only difference is you are using our broker partners and you are affiliated. If you are not and you want to keep your broker, you have the non-affiliated. What is the Traders Club? The Traders Club will be basically a more exclusive and premium community. Basically, you'll get the same positions as we are opening in real time. All right, you will have analysis that Fernando is doing and our team here are doing first timely exclusive. You will have access first to it than the other people. You will have access to live events and mentoring sessions, which means we will create private sessions in let's say Zoom meetings, all right, where people they have doubts and they have questions about any things regarding to trading, or they want to share with us a different perspective on different pairs or anything related to the market. We'll have premium exclusive meetings by Zoom. All right, we will invite some of the people, and as well we have the affiliate program that if you want to know more, you can send us an email, all right, or send a message to the support team here at Monilabs, and basically you can earn more without even trading by referring to friends. But that information, if you want to have more information about that, just contact us through our social media or any channels. And that's it, guys. This is the live that we have been talking to. Basically, this is the new website that we developed. We have now the 3 different solutions. And if we have time, let's see how much it is now. Okay, it's pretty much extending on the live. We can talk about a trending topic, which is the cryptos. And we can talk about the one that has been trending for quite a few months now, and which is the Dogecoin, as you guys might know. And we have been talking about it for the last 2 weeks so much, and this has been a really good topic to talk about. And we have here members that actually bought some Dogecoin in the beginning. I think that it was starting as a joke, but more and more we are believing in this type of cryptocurrencies, and that people, they are accepting the cryptocurrencies as a real one, as a not a joke anymore. And that has been our topics of conversations here at Twitter. If you follow us here at the Twitter, you might understand that we defend this type of cryptocurrencies, because we believe not only Doge, but we believe that cryptos, they are here to stay. And yeah, if you want any more in-depth about information about this, just don't forget to follow us on the Twitter, follow us on Instagram, keep following us on the Telegram. And yes, that's it, guys. That's the live for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope to see you next week. Fernando, do you want to say something as well for them?
Also, thank you everyone for joining, and see you next week.
See you next week. Once again, thank you, Kasim, and thank you, Ajay. Hopefully, again, I think I'm doing saying your names correct. Hopefully, if not, please correct me. Thank you so much for joining us, and have a great weekend, guys. See you soon. Bye bye. Thanks.